Imagine that just one number can change your life for the better. In a world where everything is connected by numbers, some bring luck and success. Today, we will tell you about 5 numbers that can become your guide to new opportunities. These numbers are time-tested and trusted by millions. Stay with us until the end to learn how to use their power properly. You will feel your life starting to change from this very moment. After all, everyone deserves happiness and harmony, and numbers can help you achieve this. Which one will become your lucky charm? Find out now and let luck enter your life. The first number we will talk about is 3. A symbol of harmony and creative inspiration, 3 is always associated with positive changes. Imagine a person who, by following this number, finds their calling. For example, the famous artist Pablo Picasso loved the number 3, claiming it brought him success. You too can start small, set a goal, and let the number 3 guide you. For example, plan your tasks in 3 steps: idea, action, result. This will help not only in your career, but also in your personal life. Try it and see how easy it is to achieve your dreams. Make 3 a part of your life, and it will reward you abundantly. The second number is 7, a symbol of mystery and inner strength. How many times have you noticed this number appearing in happy moments? It carries the energy of luck and knowledge. For example, the legendary writer J.K. Rowling chose the number 7 as one of the key elements in her books. To attract its power, start simple, add it to your phone number or pay attention to days associated with 7. This number helps reveal talents and find answers to important questions. Try using it as a reminder that everything is in your hands. 7 is your key to inner harmony and confidence. The number 11 symbolizes inspiration and change. It is called the master number for a reason. People who feel connected to this number often achieve success in their careers and creativity. For example, many great inventors admitted that 11 frequently appeared in their lives. To harness its power, you can start by visualizing your goals. Imagine the number 11 becoming your guide. Believe in your uniqueness, and this number will help you unlock your potential. Don't fear changes, as 11 always leads to something better. Let this number become a symbol of your new victories. Next is the number 22, representing stability and great achievements. It is often called the builder's number because it helps turn dreams into reality. For example, many successful entrepreneurs use 22 as a symbol of their accomplishments. To attract its power, think about what you want to achieve and start with a small step. Let this number be your motivation to move forward. Write down your goals and accomplish at least one of them each day. You'll be amazed at how quickly you notice progress. Trust the power of 22, and it will lead you to success. Finally, 8 symbolizes infinity and wealth. This number has long been considered magical, especially in Eastern culture. For example, in China, the number 8 is associated with prosperity and luck in business. If you want to attract financial well-being, start small, add the number 8 to your passwords or place its symbol in your home. This number will help not only financially but also spiritually. With it, you will feel more confident and calm. Let the number 8 accompany you on your journey to success. After all, each of us deserves abundance and happiness. When you start noticing numbers around you, you attract their energy. They become your allies in achieving goals. For example, if you see repeating numbers on clocks or license plates, it's a sign that the universe is on your side. Pay attention to these signals and trust your intuition. Numbers are the language of the universe through which it communicates with us. Try writing down which numbers appear most often in your life. This will help you better understand your needs and desires. Let numbers become your friends and helpers on your path to happiness. Each of these numbers has a unique energy capable of changing your life. They help us tune in to a positive mindset and see opportunities where there were obstacles. For example, if you start your day thinking about your lucky numbers, you'll notice how everything works out in your favor. It feels like magic, but it's actually your subconscious at work. When you believe in the power of numbers, you program yourself for success. Let each of your days begin with the confidence that luck is on your side. Use this power, and you'll see your life transform. Many people have already experienced the power of lucky numbers. For example, entrepreneur Mark says that the number 7 helped him establish his business, while teacher Anna believes that thanks to the number 22, she found her calling. These stories inspire and show that numbers can indeed become your allies. But remember, it all starts with your belief. Try using one of these lucky numbers to achieve your dream. You'll be surprised how simple it is. After all, each of us can attract luck if we just want it. Let your lucky numbers lead you to success. Now that you know about the 5 numbers that can bring you luck, think about which one resonates with you the most. Perhaps you already feel a connection to one of them. For example, 3 can inspire you to creative projects, while 8 can give you confidence in financial matters. Choose your number and start using its power today. Let it become your symbol of luck and success. Write it down on paper or make it part of your surroundings. This will help you focus on your goals and achieve them. Believe in yourself and your abilities. Remember, numbers are just a tool to help us unlock our inner potential. The main thing is your belief in your abilities. For example, if you decide that 11 will be your talisman, start noticing it everywhere. Let it remind you that you're on the right path. Use this energy to achieve your goals and enjoy the process. After all, success is not just the result but also the journey we take. Trust the numbers, and they will help you find your happiness. Let your life become brighter every day. Did you know that lucky numbers can be connected to your birth date? For example, if you were born on January 4th, your number could be 4 or 1. Try using their power in your life. For instance, plan important events on days associated with these numbers. You'll notice how your life becomes more harmonious and successful. Numbers related to our personal energy work especially effectively. They help us tune in to the right mindset and achieve success. Use their power and enjoy the results. Let your birthday become the beginning of new opportunities. Have you ever wondered why some people always seem to be in the right place at the right time? Perhaps their secret lies in using lucky numbers. For example, they choose numbers for tickets or bets based on their talismans. You can try this method too. For instance, if your lucky number is 7, try choosing it in important decisions. You'll be surprised how often everything works in your favor. Let numbers become your faithful companions. Believe in their power and enjoy the results. After all, each of us deserves happiness and luck. It's important to remember that numbers are not only about luck but also responsibility. For example, if you chose 22 as your lucky number, use it to achieve your goals. Plan your actions based on this number. For instance, take 22 steps a day or plan 22 tasks for the month. This will help you stay focused and motivated. Use numbers as a reminder of your goals and dreams. Let them help you move forward. After all, each of us can achieve success if we believe in our abilities. Use the power of numbers and enjoy the results. How wonderful it is that we can use the power of numbers to improve our lives. Imagine your lucky number becoming your guide. It reminds you that you are on the right path and anything is possible. For example, if your number is 8, use it as a symbol of infinite possibilities. Let it inspire you to new achievements. Believe in yourself and your abilities. After all, numbers help us not only dream but also act. Use their power to achieve your goals. Let each of your days be filled with joy and success. We hope this video has inspired you to use lucky numbers in your life. After all, each of us deserves happiness and luck. Use these numbers as a reminder that everything is in your hands. Let them help you find harmony and success. Believe in yourself and your abilities. After all, it all starts with your belief. Use the power of numbers to achieve your goals. Let them become your guide in life. We wish you happiness and success. Thank you for watching our video to the end. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give it a like. Write in the comments which number has become your lucky one. It's important for us to know that our videos inspire you. We are happy to share useful information and make your life better. Subscribe so you don't miss new exciting videos. We wish you luck and happiness. See you soon on our channel.